Okay, welcome to SAP FICO lesson number 19. We are covering much of FICO. We have already covered in our previous sessions. You can actually access the classrooms in our classroom and courses section in YouTube. So let's move ahead with lecture number 19. Let's check the assignments now. FICO is utterly important and fundamental for you as a consultant. Okay, as FICO consultant, the scope in the market is quite huge and it's quite evergreen in the market. And as an FICO consultant, your journey to the project manager slot actually gets reduced to like 3 to 4 years or maybe 5. Okay, you're controlling profit center accounting and profit center account assignments of account assignments, object to profit center check assignments, materials deployed without profit centers, without profit centers and materials, and execute material type word, execute. Okay, so let's see what is our material type, and we execute it. LP9. IMCO is our controlling area. FERT, plant, and materials are assigned to a profit center. We have only one material and we are not using LP9 right now. So what we do is OOKKS, IMCO. That's quite easy. And we redo this transaction again. Check assignments. What is the 1KE4? Materials without profit center. Execute and maintain account, automatic account assignment revenue element. And let's first do this. So guys, no data found. So all of our products have assignments with the profit center. That is one way to look at it. Next is controlling profit center actual postings. Okay, actual postings, profit center accounting, actual postings, profit center accounting, actual postings, maintain automatic account assignment of revenue elements. Okay, new entries, LP, and we have this cost element is mandatory. Profit center is mandatory. Okay, is mandatory. Company code is IMCO, cost element, and profit center segment, account assignment detail, account assignment detail, and is mandatory 3. Okay, so this is 3. Next is save, continue, select company code with elements. Okay, save does not exist for 16.4. How come it does not exist? Okay, create. Sometimes you actually come across such. Okay, such errors. FS00. That is the shortcut, the code to access your GL accounts and cost elements. Cost elements. 30510. Sales revenue. Control data. Okay. Oh, it's not made as a cost element. Sales revenue. you're there with us, just let us know where you're from, and can then IMCO. Okay, T85. Let's see who's with us today, who's joining with us, and top fans. No one. No one is a top fan right now. No worries. No worries. We're live with FICO, and we are covering every aspect of our FICO career plan along with configuration, and this is something you shouldn't be missing. Okay, continue select company code with LAP cost element 30510 and detail per profit center, and profit center will be 1001 valuation area. Do we have a valuation area? Okay, profit center. Let's see what profit centers have been created. I can't recall. So 1001. It should be P1001. Okay, P1001. 1001. Saved end user posting sales invoice, and let's do that F-22. Okay, posting key 01. Okay, 01, and account is IMCO customer. Let's see what do we have in that category. IMCO, this is our company code. Okay, enter. We'll say the number range is missing for the year 2026. Okay, IMCO, and we actually look into the tables, and what was it saying? Number range 18. Number range is 18. 18 for 2023. Copy this. Okay. Control Y and Control C, insert line. Let me just change it from here and save it. Okay. So we have here dependency for the number intervals, and that shouldn't actually be a problem. It should now work. For document type, entry is required in field reference. Okay, field reference. Okay, field reference. IMCO, FICO, 64. Okay, business area, text area, sales invoice. Sales invoice. Next is posting key 50, account 305. share your questions here if you're watching us. We are covering FICO in detail along with the configuration part, and this is quite an interesting area for you to actually understand enterprise. Let's go with controlling. Define operating concern, maintain operating concern, but before that what we'll do is we'll go for enterprise structure. In enterprise structure we have controlling, create operating concern. This is very important. I mean, these are very fundamental steps for you as an FICO consultant, and these are often asked in the interviews. Okay, so we are right now we're trying to simulate this sales invoice that we were trying to enter 101 in profit center using sales invoice through F-22, and right now the profitability segment is not yet active, or maybe it is. Let's see. IMCO, it's here. Okay, it's here, and let's do some assignments then. Definition, assignment, controlling, operating concern. Okay, IMCO, page down. FICO out of it.